You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of famous names that too many people get wrong, stay tuned. It comes originally from German, meaning blacksmith. German pronunciation, Eisele, Eisele. In English, it's often pronounced as Eisele. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Eisele or Eisele? How do you say it yourself? Let us know in the comments so we can learn from you. What is your pronunciation and where are you from? Let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.